From the National Weather Service in Raleigh, here's your routine Monday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. And this briefing covers the period today, Monday, the 30th of March through the 5th of April through Sunday. So we don't have a whole lot to share impact weather-wise for this week, and that's good news, except for a low pressure system that's scheduled to pass by to our south tomorrow into Wednesday. And that will bring some light to moderate rain to central North Carolina beginning midday tomorrow, Tuesday, and ending Wednesday morning. Now, we did get kind of lucky with this system, because if this system would have passed by to our north or to our west, then that would have given us a chance for thunderstorms and much worse weather. But we're going to be on the cool side of that low. Since it's passing by to our south, we're on the cool side of it. And that basically means just rain, rather than thunder or any kind of hazard. Now, of course, don't get me wrong, rain can bring its hazards, like slick roads and that sort of thing, wet roads, and ponding of water on roadways. But hopefully there's not too many people out driving anyway with all the stay-at-home orders and whatnot. But nevertheless, if you do have to travel, watch out for ponding of water on the roads, slick roads due to the wet weather. Rain, and that again will be from midday Tuesday, basically Tuesday evening will probably be the heaviest rain, Tuesday night, and ending Wednesday morning. Once that system passes by to our east midday Wednesday, high pressure will build in across our area, and it looks like dry, fair, and low impact weather through the rest of the week, and seasonable temps. So I also want to point out it is a little bit breezy and on the dry side today. So for any of our forestry folks who might be doing prescribed burns or anything like that, there is a conditions that are marginal for increased fire weather danger that could potentially result in rapid spread of wildfire. But that's very marginal, and that's for this afternoon. Not a huge deal at this point in time, but just wanted to mention that. Other than that, like I said, low impact weather through the rest of the week. This graphic points out that the risk for thunderstorms will remain to our south with tomorrow and Wednesday's weather system. All right, as we look at the accumulated rainfall, how much rainfall to expect? Nothing today. As you look at the Tuesday portion of this graphic, you can see that the color there represent anywhere from a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain is possible. And again, timing for that will be starting midday Tuesday, lasting through early Wednesday. That's why Wednesday shaded a light green. That's mainly any rain that falls during that time frame will be mainly during the morning. We clear out for Thursday and Friday, lots of sunshine for those 2 days. And I think our weather is going to be mostly dry Saturday and Sunday, although this graphic does paint a few hit or miss showers possible over the weekend, but it'll be very light rain amounts, if any at all. I think most places will stay dry. We'll reevaluate that later as we head through the week and maybe update that for the Thursday briefing. But right now, anyway, it looks like it's very hit or miss for this weekend in terms of shower activity. In fact, I don't even think we have any rain in our official forecast at all. But anyway, dry, otherwise dry most of the week. All right. As we head into the 8 to 14 day outlook, looking at the time period April 6th through the 12th, basically there's almost sort of a transition, if you will, across the northern plains and into the Midwest. And it looks like most of that week we're still going to be on the warmer side of things. Rainfall amounts are still odds favor a little bit wetter than normal, so we'll see how that all pans out. All right, so that wraps up the briefing for this week. Pretty low impact, generally speaking. As I said, if you're a forester and you have forest concerns, prescribed burn concerns for today, there might be a marginal wind or dry impacts, but again, not expecting that to be a big problem. Otherwise, low pressure passing by to our south. Again, that light to moderate rain will be possible starting midday tomorrow and lasting through Wednesday morning. I can't rule out a few hit or miss showers over the weekend, but very light rain amounts, if any at all. Otherwise, dry, fair, low impact weather through the rest of the week and seasonable temps. So a little bit of wet weather Tuesday through early Wednesday, and then pretty decent weather for the rest of the week. And you'll notice those temperatures are pretty nice too in the mid to upper 60s for the latter part of the week. All right. I will point out with the low passing by to our south, it will feel it'll be like a cool rain. So temps only in the 50s for most places during the daytime tomorrow. All right. So that wraps up this week's weekly briefing for Central North Carolina.